If you want to use the best Chrome extensions without getting confused, this video is going to make it simple. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open the Chrome Web Store, search for an extension like Grammarly, install it correctly, and pin it so you can access it anytime from your browser toolbar. This is one of the fastest ways to improve productivity, writing, browsing, and everyday work inside Chrome. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the window. That's the main Chrome menu. Click those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, move your mouse over to Extensions. When you hover over Extensions, you'll see another option appear that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click that, and it will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can browse and install browser extensions safely. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you can search for any extension you want. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the name of the extension you want to find. For this example, let's use Grammarly. Grammarly is a popular extension that helps with spelling, grammar, and writing suggestions while you browse and type online. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon and Chrome will show you the available results. Next, click on the extension you want to install. In this case, click on Grammarly from the search results. This will open the extensions page, where you can read more about what it does, check reviews, and confirm that it's the right extension for you. It's always a good idea to take a second to review the extension before installing it, especially if you are adding something for the first time. Make sure it looks official and matches the features you need. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Add to Chrome. After that, Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation. You'll see a pop-up message, and in that pop-up, click Add Extension. This tells Chrome that you want to allow the extension to be installed in your browser. After you confirm, Chrome will automatically install the extension for you. Usually, this only takes a few seconds. After the extension installs, you may notice that the icon does not immediately appear on your toolbar. That's completely normal. To make it easy to access, you'll want to pin the extension. Look at the top right of Chrome and click the Extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. This opens a list of all your installed extensions. Find the extension you just installed, like Grammarly, and click the pin icon next to it. Once pinned, the extension icon will stay visible in your browser toolbar, so you can use it quickly whenever you need it. And that's really all there is to it. You've now opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for an extension, installed it, and pinned it for easy access. That means you're ready to start using the best Chrome extensions in a much more efficient way. Whether you're adding tools for writing, productivity, research, or automation, this process is the same every time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.